Your heart's in the ground, frozen over. My heart's in the sky, supernova.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a video all about the products that I want to finish by the end of 2018. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So the biggest thing I want to get through in 2018 is the Smashbox Full Exposure Palette. As you can see, this eyeshadow palette has had its better days, but I've actually gone through a few eyeshadows. My goal is to hit pan on every single shadow in this palette. So it'll force me to use some of the darker shades and to use different lid colors. In terms of liquid face products, I want to finish up the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. This is still from 2017, but I probably think that there's only about a quarter of it left, so I know I'll finish it by 2018, but I want to see how many I could actually get through this year. And going along with that is the Makeup Forever HD Full Coverage Concealer, and this is probably like halfway done, but because I only use a pinch, like literally a pinch, every time I do my makeup, it's probably gonna last me until the end of the year. If not, I want to see how many of these I can go through in 2018. So there are two powder face products that I want to get through in 2018. And the first one is the Mini Hoola Benefit Bronzer. I've already hit pan on this, but I want to finish it completely by the end of 2018. And then I can try out some new bronzers. Then I want to get through this Tarte Party Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush, and I've done a pretty good dent in the emblem, but I want to completely hit pan on this or finish it by the end of 2018. So the one eye product I want to get through in 2018 is the Estee Edit Double-Ended Eyeliner Pencil. So I have it in like a purpley color, which is almost done, and then I have it in a nude color. I don't believe that they carry this anymore. I think it was like a limited edition Estee Lauder product, but I definitely want to finish this by the end of the year since it's going to be going on a year old. So the only lip product I want to get through in 2018 is from Guerlain, and it's a liquid lipstick in M69. These last like a really, really long time. It looks like this. And I probably have about half of it left, so I want to make sure it's done by the end of 2018. The last product that I want to get through is the Rollerball of the Daisy by Marc Jacobs. This is probably from last Christmas, so it's already been a year, and I just really want to finish it. I have about half of it left, so hopefully by the end of 2018 it'll be done. So those were all the products that I want to use up in 2018. If you want to see any reviews or if you want to see any more makeup videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you get notified every time I post new videos. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!